I'll get to it.
That shit's fucking strong, dude.
What the fuck is the point of this? You have to push it up?
We out.
Are we out? Where we go?
Oh, God! Alright, we're outside. Still raining like, still raining titties. You launch it into the basketball court or something.
What?
Or launch it up there, I don't know.
I'm going that way.
Where?
Going that way.
Wait. We get a. Alright, sir.
Make sure the water don't come out.
Oh, God.
That hurt.
That was manly.
Yeah, let's go to the boys' room.
Oh, no. Shit. Wait for these two cars to pass.
Come on, man. Oh.
I wonder what Dakota's doing right now.
Dakota's sitting on his ass, putting his dick in his butt.
And wait for that one last one down the road. It's coming.
What are we waiting for?
That one last car coming right now. Looks like a Lexus.
I feel like taking his bike down the slide.
I'll better take you.
Fuck you.
Fuck it, just go. Go quick. Goddamn!
Dude, like walk over there. Look at this.
Funk. Oh, God. What did you do, Jason? Oh, God.
Oh, the hole. Oh, let me drive the floor. What?
Oh, shit. You heard that?
Yeah. I don't want to jump this.
Dude, wait, it's a fucking leak. Ready?
Wow.
Oh.
I'm a bitch.
Damn. Still raining.
When are we gonna leave? It's gonna be like 5 o'clock by the time we get to Dakota's house.
Whenever it stops fucking raining.
Alright, we need to clean up our mess.
Or what?
Our mess.
Like, just flush the shit, dude. Flush the paper.
Are we just flush it all?
Yeah, dude. Oh, that's nasty as fuck. Oh, what is that? Oh, God. What is that? Oh, God.
It's not working, Captain. I just can't do it. I just don't have.
You have to hold it down. Remember?
You gotta hold it down, remember?
And I gotta flush the toilet, motherfucker.
Oh.
Get in there.
It's not working.
You gotta let it fill up with water. Why are we videotaping this?
Don't know, Jason.
We should videotape all of our adventures.
Really should.
Come on, I'm in jail. I can do it again.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. Come on.
Come on.
What if this ever worked? Hold on.
Oh!
Yeah! Alright, what if this ever worked? Where does this ever work?
You always wanted to try that.
No! Come on! Alright, I gotta let it fill with water. Always wanted to try that. Fuck you, man!
You're breaking.
Joe Dirt, this is for you!
Joe Dirt. Wait, shh. Bro, I think I heard people. Wait, shh, shh. Bro, we're good. We're good, bro.
Hey, it stopped already.
Alright, you wanna go home now?
Do
You wanna videotape the bike ride home?
you wanna?
Fuck
Dude,
it.
I ain't taking it. That's not what they're busting my ass.
I got you, bro.
Alright,
we out, let's go.
go. Wet.
Fuck it. Let's go, dude. It stopped raining. We got a chance right now. Let's go.
It's gonna pour.
Oh, God. Dakota, we're on our way home right now.
We're coming to you, man!
We're coming to Dakota. South Dakota.
Dude, I'm gonna call like
A little late, but... Huh?
I'm gonna call Hungry Howie's one day. I'm gonna be like, sir, where do you want this pizza delivered? I'm gonna be like, the corner of this end up in Fragile.
Move the box. Alright, let's go.
I gotta get another cycle.
Fuck, man. Alright, we out now, son.
Dude, is it raining?
Not
Look
really.
at my phone wet.
How else am I supposed to... How am I supposed to videotape this? And we out. Oh, gosh. Come on, Jason. Oh, goddamn, bro. Come on. Come on. I feel like this is really dangerous right now. Gee, shit. Jason, your phone's getting really wet. You want me to stop?
Dude, it's like... Oh, shit.
What? Oh.
It wants to, like, it goes
Uh-huh.
to, like, a...
Oh, I see you.
Like, see?
Fuck, it's raining harder.
Look.
Oh,
Shit. Go back.
dude, really?
Yeah.
Fuck! Fuck! Oh, goddamn! We out now, son. We on the road. Oh, God. Oh, God! Jason! Bro, I'm trying, bro! Oh, God damn! Oh, we gotta turn around to go. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm getting wet as fuck. Oh, God, I have no brakes in this rain. Oh! Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God! Jason! Bro! Oh.